How to fix premium features not unlocking on Bumble. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be learning how we can fix if our premium features are not unlocking on Bumble. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your Bumble Premium features aren't unlocking, it's likely due to a processing issue, a failed purchase, or a subscription not being properly activated on Bumble's end. Now to fix this, first ensure that your subscription is actually just fine. If you subscribe using Google Play, go to your Play Store, tap on your profile icon, followed by payment and subscriptions, followed by subscriptions again, and ensure that Bumble is properly subscribed over here. You will see over here if your subscriptions are currently active. Now, even after you check that, if your Bumble subscription is not loading properly, try to log out of your account and re-log in again. So go to your profile page, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side, scroll down and tap the logout button. After you log out, try to re-log in again. Also make sure to ensure that your Bumble app is updated to the latest version through your respective app stores. After you've done all that, hopefully this would help you solve the problem, and make sure that your payment methods or any method that you subscribed using Bumble, then make sure that those payment methods are working just fine. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.